Good morning. Thank you for meeting with me. I want to talk about the campus cafeteria.
Good morning. Of course, what seems to be the problem?
Many students think the food quality has decreased, but the price have increased. We hope there can be some improvement.
I understand your concern. The prices of ingredients have gone up, so we have to increase our prices too.
We understand that maybe you can improve the food quality or offer a student meal at a lower price.
That, that sounds like a good idea. We can create an affordable student menu and improve the quality little by little.
Thank you. I think students will appreciate that we can also give feedback to help the cafeteria improve.
Great, thank you for your suggestion. We want both students and the cafeteria to benefit.
Thank you for listening. We hope to see the change soon.